Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY color recognition toy box. For this project, you will be needing a small empty box, printed copies of objects, popsicle sticks, paper wrapper, thin cardboard, glue, scissors, and tape. First is to cover the box with a wrapper. Cut 3 colors you want to use for the toy. You may secure it with a tape. Make some holes in line with each color using scissors or cutter. Open the side facing the holes on the top. This makes it possible for you to get the popsicle sticks if they get into the bottom of the box. Cut at least 4 objects you want to use in each color. Paste them in a thin cardboard. Cut it and have them glued at the end of each popsicle sticks. Now there you have it, your color recognition toy box is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.